Hello, this is 4x4 Shop with a BMW 3 Series E90 2006 to 2011 without iDrive installation of touchscreen and iDrive control unit. Now, the first thing you're going to do is clean off your dash with some soap and water. So the sticker that we installation for your alignment is going to stick better on the dash. So you're going to align the sticker with your heater controls. Then you're going to take the top half and you're going to align the green crosses with the tabs on each side of the vehicle. And then once you have the stickers aligned, you're going to take the supplied knife and you're going to cut inside the red line, which you will make further modifications, but you're going to follow the template. Hello, this is 4x4 Shop with a BMW 3 Series E90 2006 to 2011 without iDrive installation of screen with iDrive unit. Now you're going to get a cutting tool like this, which is a multi-purpose cutting tool, and you're going to cut out now the plastic frame to what you initially cut with the template, the outlet there. So you're going to remove the foam, and then you will have the hard plastic. Then you will just need a cutting tool to go along the edges, but be careful of not cutting over. But you do have a little room for error, but just be careful to not really cut too much into the actual dash of the car. Now I would suggest you follow the sides, remove a good portion of the center, and then little by little work your way into the crevices. Now the majority of the dash has been pre-cut for video purposes. Hello, this is 4x4shop.ca with the installation of a BMW 3 Series E90 2006 to 2011 without iDrive. Now, on your center console, there was a cup holder or change holder. There is no screws that lock that into place, so you're just going to push back the plastic clips to release it. Now, installation is exactly the opposite. So you're going to apply a little bit of pressure into the back end of the unit. Then you're going to slide down on the two front plastic clips, and that will lock the unit into place. And that is the iDrive. Now, for the OEM screen installation, once the remainder of the dash is cut out, you're supposed to get a clean cut look like this. Now you may have to adjust slightly by sanding down or filing out the remaining edges just to make sure that the unit lines up perfectly. Also, you will install the supplied mounting bracket with 3 screws on each side that is supplied within the kit. So be careful of losing these 3 screws, on 6 screws altogether. Now, if you look back in the factory dash, there are 2 screw holes. 2 screw holes which you're going to be using. Mostly we use this one here, which has 1 torque screw attached to it. So you will just remove that screw. Make sure you run the wires down to the back of the harness so they don't interfere with the mounting of the bracket. So you slide in, and then you will come underneath the bottom, and as you see, the bracket screw holes line up with the 2 screws at the back. Then you will just route your wires to the side to not obstruct the air vent, and that is the completion of the dash mounting kit for the 2006 to 2011 BMW 3 Series. Now, for the rest of the radio installation, you might refer to our other videos because they are all the same. And also take into note that if your vehicle is equipped with the green and black optical wire, that has to be removed and put back into the T-harness entering the OEM radio. So it does not stay on the open end. It has to go back into the plug that connects to the OEM radio.